How to check for auto loan offers on Credit Karma. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using a registered email address and password. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the top menu bar and click on the option that says Auto. Under the Auto section, click on Auto Loans. This will take you to a page where Credit Karma shows auto loan offers that are tailored to your credit profile. Now you will see various loan options from different lenders. These offers will include important details such as estimated interest rates, monthly payments, loan terms, and your personalized approval odds. Take your time to compare these details carefully. If you want to know more about a specific offer, click on it to view full information. If you are interested in moving forward with a particular loan offer, click on Get Started next to that offer. You will be redirected to the lender's website to complete the full application process. Now you know how to check for auto loan offers on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.